everyone, this is June, and I am preparing something for the Rockets from UK, and they're my guests right now, and I'm excited because they are not eating nuts and unsoaked nuts and that, and they don't want to mix the nuts with fruits and vegetables. So it's really a challenge for someone like me to prepare something really good that they would like, very simple. And they like fruits. I mean, fruits is the best, but how would you kick it up a notch? That is the question. So I thought I'd surprise them. They went to Anaheim, and I'm going to work, but before I go to work, I'll make them something they can eat when they arrive. So here I got about 3.5 mangoes because I ate half of it. Alright, so I opened this young coconut and I removed the water. I'm drinking the water, and I just scraped it just like that and put it here. Okay, what I plan to do is just make them a very simple dessert, because but I don't like to give them ice cream because it's kind of fancy. I like them to have something very simple. Okay, and so I have these 2 basil leaves. Of course, and I'm going to put it in this. This is actually 1 coconut meat and 3.5 mangoes. So I'll surprise them with this simple dish. They love greens too, so. And this is the first time I actually am making this, and but I love greens too, and I mean sweets with greens. I don't like to buy very expensive superfoods. So this is one of the key things when we prepare desserts. I like it to have greens and just leaves from the garden, you see. So, and then I will add some sweetener. It can go like that really, but just to give it a, so whatever sweetener you have there will do. Maple syrup or agave or honey if you're not vegan. And then I'll have it ready in the fridge. And Didi, the rocket, would just love this. Okay, let me taste just so find out if it's good. I should put more basil leaves, but I'll put about 2 more. It's good, but I just want it to be more more of the greens. So if you make this, depends on how you feel like, or if you want to add more what's this, basil leaves, do it. If you don't want to, put it in. And guess what, there's this peppermint oil, and I'm just gonna drop some there. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops. Okay, I use this Okay, let's see. Just to sort of kick it up a notch. Okay, I might end up finishing this and I don't want that to happen. That is incredible. Oh, that is super. Have a look at that. No nuts. It's got basil leaves. You know, it is just incredible. And this is what you do. And I'll show you. These basil leaves right there. And what you do is you decorate it on top, just like that. And when he arrives, he will I'm sure he will love this. And this is some of the simple dishes that we'll give you in the online class. Okay, cool. Very, very cool. There you have it. Oh! That is so good. Whoa! See that? Cool. Very, very cool.